Some saws have blades that tilt to the right, others tilt to the left, a feature you may pay no attention to until you cut a bevel. When you're making a beveled cut on the end of a workpiece with a miter gauge, the direction of the tilt doesn't matter all that much because any waste trapped beneath the blade has a way out should it catch on a tooth at the end of the cut. But all of this changes when you're cutting a bevel on the edge of a workpiece with your table saw fence. If your blade tilts toward the fence, anything caught beneath the blade has nowhere to go, and if something goes wrong, it'll become wedged beneath the blade and potentially kick back at you. If your saw tilts that way, move your fence to the other side of the blade. This may feel awkward at first, but it's a much safer orientation for a cut such as this. If you sharpen your tools by hand, do yourself a favor. Try one of Trend's diamond stones. You can start with a card, but before long, you'll want a full bench stone because these things cut fast, they stay perfectly flat, and you can go from stone to strop to wood and be back to work in under a minute. I'll link to my favorites in the notes below this video. Wait, don't go yet. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell. I would really appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, or better yet, leave us a comment. I always read them. And be sure to check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. It's always packed with tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker.